All right, so behind me is a 5x10 trailer. I got it for $100. It needs refurbished. We got the supplies over here in the shed. I have supplies right here on the tailgate. I'm gonna walk you through everything I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna lay it all out and I'm gonna put the video on it. This trailer's got a floor that's obviously bad. It's missing a fender, it's rusted out. The tail lights don't work anymore. It doesn't have any wiring. So we'll be doing the full process. Since I'm gonna put all my time into it, it should take about 2 days. And we're gonna get cracking. All right, so this is basically the gist of what we're gonna be using to restore this trailer with. Everything's from Home Depot, from the lights, to the paint, to the gloves. I'm borrowing this angle grinder and the crimps from a family member. The Craftsman drills, bits, batteries, PB blaster I've already got on the trailer for some of the old hardware to take off. We're gonna be cinching down the 2x6s with Tex number 12, 2 3/4. Drill, tap, and fasten. That's self-drilling screws, wood and metal. We have a 4.5-inch 80 grit for the sanding, and then I'm going to be using this 4.5-inch metal cut for getting all this old wire up. So let's get into it. Kirby, what are you getting into? That weld's broke up. Weld's broke up. Weld's broke up. All right, we got the trailer lights installed. This isn't something I incorporated really in the video of the whole wiring process because it's just a pain, and you can just imagine whenever you buy these assemblies, they come with the whole assembly itself. Run it through the neck, from the neck, disperse it, green right, yellow left, brown is the running lights, and then get it back to your tail through your butt splice. After you get your butt splice done, All you gotta do is worry about it being tucked up under and looking fresh. I don't know if you can really see how I did it, but for me, it's good enough for me. I'm not trying to like flip trailers on the daily or nothing. So I'm sure some people would see this and be like, that ain't good to go. And guess what? I don't care. Works for me. Give you a last little look around. And then now, very last thing that there is to do is to get all these boards cut up. And I'm gonna put you guys on the stand for the whole mount process. All right, so I got the trailer finished. The camera died right at the very end as I was boarding the trailer with a little bit of help from my neighbor, who's my cousin. He came down to help. But the trailer's finished, so we're gonna do a little walkthrough. This is all done right now. Completely ready to go. I just gotta take it to get the tag stuff figured out. This is all said and done. I gotta do some treatment for this somehow, but this is what the end result. I ended up wrapping this whole thing. The end result for the harness, I ended up getting a 3/8 pin from Home Depot, and then I upsized the hole for this. So when I was in Home Depot getting some more screws to secure the boards I decided I needed a pin as well because I was using a nail, and I couldn't remember what the handle size was, but I knew for a fact that it wasn't 3/8, it was smaller. So all they had was smallest 3/8 to have like today or that very day I did it, versus ordering one a specific size. But I just upscaled it since I have the bits. Chains are fine, I didn't mess with those. I already showed you guys the routing of the cables, and I did one text. Dang, I must have left that out by accident. I did one text screw per every board. So it's pretty heavy now. Heavy duty.